Sharmin Jahan. I'm standing in front of the shopping mall, Westfield. I will try to show you the shopping mall and everything today. So if you guys want to see the shopping mall, so stay with me and check my full video. This is the video I start, so stay with me. So this is the first gate of the shopping mall. Now I am trying to show you the biggest side of the shopping mall. If you guys enter from this side, you can see here is the biggest shop, Hema, H&M, and after that there is the shop Hema. And if you guys want to go other side, you can enter from that way. So I'm going to show you the one side of the shopping mall. So you can you guys can imagine how nice, and there is some drinks and coffee shop in the middle of the shopping mall, and the side they have some stores. So you can if you want to see the which kind of store in here, I will try to introduce you some store. But here I saw that 160 store have in this shopping mall. So you guys can see there is a Nike shop, and also I will try to give you some food review because I saw the second floor of the shopping mall they open, so they have open 2-3 new restaurants. So and there is a food shop here, it's called Simit Sarai. This is also very nice. If you guys get hungry and tired, you guys can take a meal. It's not that much expensive, and they have very nice Turkish food. I guess is Turkish shop. So come with me and let's see how much store here and which kind of store. Let's see and find out the store and together with me. So in this shopping mall there is a kids zone. It's called Cool, and near the kids zone there is a shop called Peek and Koppenberg, and also for kids Ninia, and guess what, there is also a shop called Lego. So we all the people know that Lego is very renowned shop. Yeah, you can find also the Lego shop here. So I think you guys enjoy if you can come. Lego toys and lots of things. And I'm gonna show you more things. They have chocolate and brownie in this shop. Also they have lots of things. Stay with me and find out how many nice shop here. There is also a nice shop for cake and cookies, and also Timberland. And I'm going to try capture all the shops here. You guys can see. This is very big. This is very big shopping center. If you come, please come with time, because I think you need 2-3 hours minimum to see the whole shopping mall. And yeah, they have a cinema hall, but it's not open yet, so you need to wait more days for cinema hall. And also a big cheese shop. So look how big the shopping center and how nice. Yeah, and there is 2-3 expensive and nice perfume shop also. So let's see and find out more shops. So I'm walking now another lane of the shopping mall, and you guys can see there is a big shop called Pindakas. You can also buy the Pindakas from here. They have very nice mixture of Pindakas. They have also a car. If you want, if you have a plan to buy car, you can also come here. So this is very nice. That in one shopping mall you can find each and everything. They have also skincare product like rituals and other also herbal product, organic skincare product. I saw there is also a big H&M shop which is for home decoration, and you guys can see this side. This is a Starbucks in front of me. Okay, this is the whole place of the shopping mall. I am trying to go another side so you guys can see what type of shops and what type of restaurant you can find here. I think this video will help you, and if you guys like my video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Dutch Life with Charming. So this is the second floor. If you go from here, the second floor, you can find also restaurant. I will try to show you the restaurants also. This is the food court of Westfield Mall, second floor, and I'm gonna show you the whole place. Look how nice the catering and the interior, everything is very nice. And they have also food zone and kids zone and the game store. And yeah, they have a plan that they will open the cinema hall very soon, but not yet they are opening because of the corona. Everything is delayed, but from the 6th of June you can come here and enjoy the food from indoor and outdoor also. So now we can see how nice everything. So guys, that's it. So I'm at the middle point of the shopping center now. You guys can see how nice this is. This is a coffee store. It's not open yet because after 6th June you can sit here and drink coffee, but now you can just take away. Here lots of shops also here. You can find all the kinds of brand shop except Primark here, because I didn't see Primark in this shopping center. And also you can find a place which called Fresh behind me. So this is called Fresh. You can drink and eat fresh fruit. Here they have 2-3 types of varieties of restaurant like Indian, Turkish, Japanese, Indonesian. So if you go there, you can find this kind of food. And now I am trying to go at the other side of the shopping mall, because it's very big. It's too much big. If you come here, you can find there is 4 lane, so you have to walk like the long way, the 4 lane. So I'm trying to go there and show you how much big. You can see behind me how much big also. Okay, let's see another side. I like the shops because lots of shops open here now and they decorate very nice. Their interior, the shops interior are really very elegant, and except the uh, food corner, I like the this decoration and everything. In front of me there is a shop uh, called Zara. If you want to buy from Zara, you can come here. So you can see there is a big store of Zara, and every time I saw there is a big line also, but today is luckily is not that much crowded in front of Zara. Maybe because of the nice weather, sunny weather, everybody went to the beach. And my tips is, if you want to come for shopping, you can choose a day which is not a weekend and also sunny day. Then maybe all the people are going to the beach and other place. You can shop here easily. Otherwise, it's all the time it's crowded. So you can see the all shops and decoration and everything. And yeah, there is um, six gate in the shopping mall. So you guys can park your car outside of the shopping mall because they have 4 parking. And I like these shops. This is Bath and Body Works. You can buy from here for bath salt and all the types of body wash. I think this is very nice for everybody. So I already work a lot, so I think you guys see the restaurant and the shops and everything. I hope you like my video, and if you want to visit this shopping mall, you can check their website, the Westfield. Then you can see their timetable and which day they are open for a long time. I think that will help you. And this is you can come here by tram 2, 6, 19 and bus 46 number bus. And yeah, also you can come here by your bike and car. So now this is the same point where I start the video. I hope you guys enjoy my video. If you guys enjoy my video, please give a thumbs up and stay with my channel. Bye bye.